Okay, I'm going to teach you how to oil your valves on your tuba or your euphonium. All right, you're going to need a few paper towels, clean paper towels, and then you need your oil. This is your piston oil. Remember, these are piston valves. The ones that come on French horn are called rotor valves. These are called piston valves, so you need piston valve oil. All right, so what we're going to do is in order to take these out, what we want to do is we want to rotate, not from here, but we rotate from down here, okay? So let's go ahead and start with valve number 1, which is the closest to the bell. So we're going to rotate like that, and here comes the valve. And there you go, you just take the valve out like this, okay? And then you want to make sure you put your valve down on a clean surface. Don't get it dirty or hairy or anything like that. Now inside of the casing is a little spring, okay? Each valve needs a little spring in here. Make sure that you do not let the spring come out and you put your instrument down, all right? Now we have the valve right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a clean paper towel and we're gonna clean the outside of the valve all the way through. Make sure that we get any excess dirt, junk, or anything else from the bottom. And then make sure that we also clean the insides using our paper towel like this. I just clean the insides like that. Make sure that all the holes are rather clean. Okay. And then also make sure that this part is nice and firmly placed on the valve. It should not be loose. This should be firm. This should be nice and tight. Okay. Now this little notch right here is going to go inside of your euphonium. It's going to go inside of your euphonium or your tuba in the valve casing where there's a little track, and that's gonna basically trap it in. So let me show you how this goes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop it in, and then before you line up the white part with the track and the inside, you're gonna go ahead and oil. Okay. So how I oil is I oil inside of the euphonium while pressing down, pressing the oil that's coming out, and by turning at the same time, by rotating, just like that. So I'm applying, but I'm also rotating at the same time to get it all around the valve. Okay. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna rotate this until the white part falls into the track. It should be at the back of the euphonium, and there it is. It's lined up with the track back here. So like this, it won't go in, but like this, it will go in. Now what you're gonna do is keep it in the track, keep it halfway, push, press down, and then rotate this right here. And now your valve is captured inside of the track and it can't move. And that's how you oil your valves. So make sure you do the same thing with valve 2 and 3, and then make sure that it lines up inside of the track, push it down halfway, and then close it back up. All right, that's how you oil the valves on your tuba or your euphonium.